Turn black is where you're going to bring it out. So he just moon changes. Arm on the tires coming out. Oh, it's the boost. Watch that smoke. It tells you the whole story. In that smoke, you can hear him kind of nurse it along, getting the turbocharger spinning. Oh, Kyle! A lot of these guys with the slipper clutches and that, he's acting more like maybe a turbo. He's trying to check it up and see there. Turbos do the same thing if it don't put enough air in there. Getting real mean with it. Abusing the clutch, trying to get it to come out. You could tell, Kyle, that smoke was starting to come down just a little. Oh, he's got a hold of the track. And watch that smoke, he'll do it. Alright, the green flag comes up now. No more decisions. We're going to go. It's off and going. Gary Williams. Yonder, I'll just take it right out there past the Copenhagen Skull finish line. Got Bobby Knight back again, yeah, we know that. But we'll be in there and try it. There we go, alcohol time. John Deere time. Over there, he is Foster. Hey, we got one AC out the end, and here comes a guy who just bumped that flag. We're talking about the past Grand National champ, the Burback. Getting got a hold of the truck. Oh, these kids getting one of these frisbees is almost as valuable. He's the first one to build the Ford Charger D21. Well, you can see he had to smoke up and then it went away. We're going back to Pulatino Valley time. He's done it again. He's flipped the front out. Josh,
Is the 11 right after this one?
I think so.
They worked hard getting this track in shape.
Yes, they did. And now it's Jerry Hart's time to see what he can do with it. The Gettinger family. The sled handler.
Secret to the mini mode with so many cubic engines, very big motors. Watch the tire speed. We'll have to get out one brake and then the other is clear. Can do it. He won this class several times on a national circuit last year and national champion in class 4 years in a row. Break it out. That fatal pop down the other end. B21 looks like Harold Wilson set the mark. Crossed the hose between the turbos in there.
They also have a truck. The industry, they go over night today. They are tractor pullers.
Well, the track has been a little tricky for a while.
You don't want to go in first place. No, you want the full. You know that. As he built the booth on the Ford Charger Rooster.
Safety equipment works.
We can always fix the tractor. We can always fix the tractor. Our drivers just come out of that.